Good morning.
All video on, all of you. Video on.
Good morning.
Good morning to all of you. So last class,
Good morning.
last class, mechanism of photosynthesis, light dependent and light independent reactions, photosynthesis. So now today we are discussed the historian nutrition in heterotropic nutrition. So autotropic nutrition also completed. Now heterotropic nutrition. So heterotropic nutrition. So here now already last class autotropic nutrition completed. Now today we are discuss the heterotropic nutrition. Yes. Heterotropic nutrition. Heterotropic nutrition. So what is the heterotropic nutrition? So what is the heterotropic nutrition? So an organisms that cannot produce the food by own, that cannot an organisms. So an organism is unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms are so in the nature, but all organisms are not produce the food material. If especially some food materials are produced by only green pigment, if any green pigments, so that green pigments have only in plants. So the plants, so only plants produce the food material. So the only plants are produce the food material. It is called autotrophic nutrition. If unicellular and multicellular organisms are there, cannot produce the food material by own because they have no green pigment. They have no green pigment. So an organisms that cannot produce the food material, then own. These are called uh, auto. These are called heterotropic, and these are depending on other for food material. So these are depending on an other animals because they have no material. So these write down. So this is an organism. So already autotropic heterotropism completed. Now heterotropic. So autotropic is complete. Now heterotropic. So an organisms. So write down an organism. An organisms. An organisms. And organisms that cannot produce the food material, that cannot produce the food, their own. So organism that cannot produce the food material, food their own, these are depending on these are depend these are depend on other organisms. These are depend on an other organism because they have no preparation of food material by own. So this is called an heterotropic nutrition. So different type of animals have taking different methods and different type of food material, also in the living place situation and the structure of body and body maintenance also. So for example, unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms are there in the nature. So unicellular organism like amoeba, paramecium. So unicellular organism like a amoeba, paramecium and verticella and bacteria like that. bacteria. So bacteria not, so amoeba, paramecium,
Hydra, sir.
what? Hydra also.
Sir,
Hydra
Hydra,
also.
sir.
Okay, Hydra also is there. Hydra, these are the amoeba, amoeba also. So amoeba, paramecium, verticella, amoeba, paramecium, verticella, like that. This type of organisms also unicellular, multicellular, multicellular.
Sir,
So
yeast,
multicellular.
sir.
Yeast also, right? Very good. Yeast, yeast good. Yeast also. So yeast also amoeba. So amoeba, amoeba, paramecium, paramecium, verticella, hydra, yeast also. These are unicellular organisms. Multicellular are more than one cell. More than one cell. More
Once.
than one cell means, yes, more than one cell means like body development and body structure is development. Remaining organs also formed in the animals, organisms. So from more than one cell to two, like human beings also. Human beings. Before that, fish also, fish, frog, snake, birds, ants, birds also,
Sir,
birds.
starfish, sir.
Nana, Babu,
Starfish, sir.
starfish also, fishes. So
Sir,
all
starfish.
fishes, starfish, all fishes in the living in the water, all fish, starfish. So starfish kuda, starfish, uh, frog also, starfish, frog, snakes, birds, ants, all animals including human, all animals including human beings also. So all are multicellular organism, but taking food method is different. So each one animal have taking food method is different. So for example, ant taking food material different, bird food taking food material different, snake food material taking food material different, and human human beings taking food method is different. So each one animal have taking food material and methods also different. For example, amoeba. Now we can go to unicellular organism, amoeba. So amoeba. So amoeba, how to take the food material? By diffusion, by diffusion, diffusion. Amoeba by diffusion. So amoeba have a, like, amoeba. So now listen. So here amoeba. So this is the amoeba. So this is the amoeba. This is amoeba. So pseudopodia, nucleus, food vacuole, crystal, plasma membrane, contractile vacuole, endoplasmic, ectoplasm, cytoplasm, nucleus here, nucleus. So this is the amoeba. So pseudopodia here, like that. Observe the diagram, pseudopodia in the last slide. Pseudopodia. These are like a legs. So in human beings have a legs, two legs, but in amoeba, pseudopodia have a like a legs. So it is not a specific legs. It is also like a, that has. So amoeba shapeless animal or shapeless organism, shapeless. It is not a particular shape. Amoeba have not a particular shape, different types of shapes, but situations, by depending on the situations. So pseudopodias have like a just like a hands and legs also. So these pseudopodias are helping in the movement of the body, helping in the movement of the body, taking of the body, protection of the body, defense of the body also, defense of body also, and repair of the body also, repair of the body. So all organism, all activities. So here nucleus, this is the main nucleus, only one cell organism. One cell means unicellular organism also. So this is the amoeba. Amoeba taking food material by diffusion. Actually, this amoeba taking by food material by surroundings area from the food material taking from surroundings area by diffusion. Now another organism, paramecium. Here also paramecium. See that paramecium. This is the paramecium. So this is also unicellular organism. This is the also taking food material by diffusion also. Amoeba and paramecium. Amoeba and paramecium. Amoeba and paramecium. Paramecium. Paramecium also by diffusion. So paramecium, amoeba also taking food material by diffusion food material. So herely some like hairs on the body, some parts on the body, tentacles. Like this is actually, this is called slipper animalcule. So slipper animalcule. So this is the particular shape. This is also particular shape, but not have a particular shape in amoeba. Amoeba have not a particular shape, but in paramecium have a particular shape. So on the amoeba have just like a hair type of parts. It is the tentacles. Yes, tentacles. So cilia, pellicle, oral groove, or buccal overture, and cell mouth, and anal pore, food vacuole, cytoplasm. Yes, Babu, take it to the screenshot also. Micronucleus, radiating canals, and contractile vacuole also. So here on that, this cilia or tentacles. So here, where is the food material enter into the paramecium body? Here, student. Oral groove. So this is like our mouth. So oral groove. This is like our mouth type. Our mouth type is the food material enter into the paramecium body with the oral groove. So whenever the food material enter in the body, the vacuoles are formed, the food vacuoles. So here food vacuoles. Then again, after that, that is the digestive in the paramecium. So remaining system is also continuous with that. Continuation that. So this is paramecium. So example. So amoeba and paramecium. So example in the surroundings in our house, house fly. You know house fly. So this is the paramecium amoeba, and like this house fly. You know house fly. House fly. What is that house
Yes,
fly?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, house fly. So yes, right. How it is taking food material? How it is taking food material? How it is taking food material? Housefly and mosquito.
Hands and legs, sir.
Hands and legs. Yes, mosquito, houseflies. How it is that? For example, some animals or some organisms are taking food material, breakdown outside of the body. Some organisms are dissolved the food material outside of the body. Some organisms or some animals taking food material into the body, and then after the digestion. Some organisms are taking food material, before taking break down that outside of the body, and someone taking food material before taking food material, that is dissolve that after taking that. But some organisms are taking, first of all, taking food material into the body, after that break down and digest that. So these are three types of food material taking methods. First of all, breakdown before taking that. Breakdown that before taking that. Second one, dissolve that before taking that. Dissolve, first of all, dissolve that, and after that taking food material. And third one, first of all, taking food material into the body, and after that, that is dissolved, digested in the body. So three types of digestive material. For example, this is amoeba direct food material taking in the body, and by diffusion also is housefly. How it is, you know, already generally we are observed in our houses. So, Babu, don't disturb to others. This is whenever disturb to me, I will remove to from the class because of Sharat Kumar. Mute your mobile. Sharat, mute your mobile. Sharat,
Sir.
mute your mobile. Gopal Naik, mute your mobile. Right. So diffusion, then housefly. Housefly taking food material dissolved with trunk. They have trunk. Before taking material that dissolved, and then sucking means absorbing the blood from the animal, sucking. So with the trunk, so it is also sucking. So amoeba by diffusion, paramecium by diffusion, by ingestion antaru dinni, by ingest. So housefly with trunk or sucking, mosquito or sucking, and this and man also, man taking material, taking food with after digestion. So these are parasitic antaru. Then the mushrooms also, mushrooms also here that. So different type of material here. Some organism breaking down before that, that is type of food organisms are called saprophytes. So saprophytes. Babu, saprophytes. Utez,
sir,
mute your mobile.
Okay, sir.
Saprophyte. So what is the saprophyte? Example, bread bowls, yeasts, mushrooms also. Bread molds, yeast, mushrooms also saprophytes. So what are the saprophytes? So saprophytes means it is taking food material, first of all, break down outside of the body. First of all, break down that food material, after that taking food material. So that is saprophytes. That's a type of animals, organisms, bread molds, yeast, and mushrooms. So mushrooms and bread molds and yeast also called saprophytes. Next, parasitic. Parasitic. Next, parasitic. So what is the parasitic material? Some organisms are there. Parasitic. Some animals are derive nutrition from the plants. Derive nutrition from the plants or animals with the killing them. This type of called parasitic. For example, keeper plants also. Creeper plants like a bitter gourd, dodder plants, and chikudu, and bottle gourd, sorakaya. So these type of plants also keeper plants. They are these also depending on other strong plants. But some plants also depend living in the forest. So dodder plants in Telugu bangaru teega antaru. So we know that here dodder plant. Listen, see that dodder plant. Yes, this is a dodder plant. It is like that stem. It is like that. Actually, dodder plant, leafless, twigless, parasitic plant. Leafless. ఆకులు లేకుండగా, ట్విగ్లెస్ కొమ్మలు లేకుండగా, పారాసైటిక్ పరాన్నజీవి అట్లా. సో డాడర్ ప్లాంట్ యాక్చువల్గా జీనస్ కస్కుటా, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఒరిజినల్ నేమ్ ఆర్ scientific name. Genus Cuscuta is a leafless and twigging and parasitic plant. Parasitic plant belong to morning glory family also. It is family morning glory family also. Here. So parasitic plants or animals. Some other animals are derive nutrition. So these type of plants and organisms are taking food material from others, from other plants or other animals. So parasitic. What? Dodder plants. So dodder plants also depending on the other. It is depending on the from the living and support and food material also. These type of food material, these are organisms are parasitic animals. So from unicellular, depending on the saprophyte, first one, second one, parasitic. So saprophytes means breakdown bread molds, yeast, mushrooms. Saprophytes also before taking food material break down that, and then parasitic absorb the food material from other organisms. Now unicellular to multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are digestive system is in development from the multicellular to unicellular to multicellular. So unicellular to multicellular organisms are digestive system is different. So digestive system is also different in various organisms. So digestive system is developed from the single cell or unicellular to multicellular organism. So digestive system development are developed from the unicellular to multicellular organism. For example, amoeba have no digestive system. All activities, all life in the only one cell. But in human being, so many systems. We have multicellular organism. We are multicellular organism. So we have many types of systems, many types of organisms. So each one system doing specific function. But amoeba, all life process doing only one cell. So here at the time, first of all, at the same time, here parasitic nutrition in Cuscuta. Parasitic nutrition in Cuscuta. Now Cuscuta. So Astoria. So this is the Cuscuta plant. It is also called dodder plant. It is a leafless. Already just now say that daughter. It is a scientific name is Genus Cascuta. Genus Cascuta. It is a leafless, twigging and parasitic plant and belongs to, it is a family of morning glory family. Morning glory family. Nearly this is the 170 types of 170 types of species in the world and spread in the whole world. It is the distributed that whole world. It is different type of temperature and tropical region in the world. So it is living in the hot temperature area, cool temperature area, and normal temperature area. So all type of temperature areas living in the world. So total species and 170 types of species in the world. It is a leafless, stinging and parasitic. So leafless. So how it is the produce the food material? This is the plant actually. This is the plant, but these have no leaves. How it is produce the food material? Actually, this is plant. Actually, this is a plant, but they have no leaf. They have no leaf. How it is produce the food material? How it is the food material?
Another plants.
Babu,
Second, taking food another material.
taking food material. Yes. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
Vinod.
Vinod. K.
sir.
Vinod. M. Vinod. K. Vinod. M. Vinod.
K. Vinod, sir.
K. Vinod. So Vinod, tell me that. So how it is food material? Produce the food material.
Taking another depending on another material or organism, sir.
Depending on another organisms. Depending on another organism. Very good. So this is the leafless and winging and also parasitic. So it is not produce the food material because also he is a heterotropic, because it is a heterotropic, because heterotropic. So this is not produce the food material by own. So it is depending on another organism by food. This is another organism by food. So where is which organism are depending on others? So organisms. Now I'm also again